Unix. What is Unix? Unix, an operation system, sits between the hardware and the user applications, provides high-level abstractions, e.g. files, and services, e.g. multiprogramming. Linux, a Unix-like operation system, user-level interface very similar to Unix. Code base different from original Unix code. Unix vs Linux. Age. Unix born in 1970 at AT&T Bell Labs. Linux born in 1992 in Helsinki, Finland. Sun, IBM, HP are three largest vendors of Unix. These Unix flavors all run on custom hardware. Linux is free. Speech vs beer. Linux was written for Intel 86 but run on many platforms. On this scan you see layers of Unix system. The users are operations with shell and applications. Applications interaction with shell and Unix operation system. And Unix interaction with hardware. That's all. Directories. In Unix, files are grouped together in the files called folders, which are analogous to folders in Windows. Directory paths are separated by a forward slash. Example: udd/a/account_keeper/user1. The hierarchical structure of directories, the directory tree, begins at a special directory called the root or slash. About absolute path start at slash. Example: /udd/a/account_keeper/user1/folder1. Relative path start in the current directory. Example: user1 folder1. You see this part of path. If you are currently in udd a account keepers. I think understand. Moving around the file system. The command pwd show the present working directory or current directory. cd change current directory to your home directory. cd /user1/folder1 change current directory to user1 folder1. cd .. change current directory to the parent directory of the current directory. Let's see how it shows. We have console UDDA account keepers. You see it on the previous slide. UDDA account keepers. And now I want to no, let's see next slide. List in the directory. How we can to see what is in our directory. The command ls, list of directory. ls-l, list directory in long detail format. ls-a list the current directory including hidden files. Hidden files start with dot. ls-ld asterisk list all the file and directory names in the current directory. Without the d option, ls would list the content of any subdirectories of the current. with the D option, let's just like them like regular files. Now let's see the practice. We have console. Enter the command ls. We see some hidden files like this one, and we see some directories: dir, testjava, sergs, and user1. Now we can choose they try to use command ls. We see directory. Now we want to do command lsl. Why? To see the long detail format of this file. Write ls -l. We see the detail information about this about our files and folders and directories. Now next command, ls -a. We see files with the files from current directory, including hidden files. Hidden files start with dot. Next. Moving around the file system. And now we want to check the command pvd. Enter. Our use present working directory or current directory. You see our current directory. I don't know why you need this command, but maybe sometime it needed. Change directory. Let's from this one. You see folder user1. I want to enter in user1. Let's type cd user1. Ta-da! We see our path changed from a account keyproofs to account keyproofs / user1. Now we situated in user1, in directory user1. We can see if anything has in user1 the command ls. In folder in directory user1 we see only one folder, folder 1. Now we can check another command. Command cd change current directory to your home directory. Okay, cd enter. We again in account keyproofs. Now let's check the command cd user1 folder 1. Let's to see cd user1 / folder 1. Now we in directory folder 1. Now let's see if anything has in this in this directory, the command ls. nothing has in this directory, no files, no folders, no directories. Now let's go forward, moving, renaming and copying files. cp file 1, file 2, copy a file, mv file 1 renamed file 1. Move or rename a file. We can remove or move or rename file using this command. rm file 1, file 2, rename or delete a file. rm minus r dir 1, dir 2. Recursively remove a directory and its contents. Be careful. You see, you should to be very careful with the command rm, because we don't have this basket, and all files or directories delete and could not recover. This why be careful. mkdir make directory, rmdir rename a directory. Let's try. cp file, copy file I could not show you because I don't have a file for this one. And then move or rename a file the same. For example, make directory and now we situated in user1 folder 1. I want to change my catalog, cd dot and cd user 1. Okay, now I am in user 1 and now I want to create directory, for example folder 2, mkdir folder 2, command ls. Yes, we have two folders, folders 1 and folder 2. Let's see. I want to create directory mk folder 1 with letter F and letter L, the big, and you see what happened. Sorry, mkdir mkdir folder 1. Everything okay. Ls, you see 3 folders, folder 1, folder 1 and folder 2. These two directories, folder 1 and folder 1, is not the same directories for Unix. There are two different directories. That's why be careful or pay attention where you use another register. Now I want to enter in directory folder 1, cd folder 1, and create here directory, for example cat, mkdir cat, every letter is small. Okay, ls. Yes, and now change directory to root what I want to show to you. The command ls now show you what is in directory account keepers, and I can to show what in directory, for example, user1 don't change directory. You see what I want to tell you. ls user1, you see we situated in directory a account keepers, but I see what contain in the directory user1. I can to see and more further directories. For example, ls user1 folder 1. We see folder directory cat. Okay, let's rename or remove directory. cd change directory user1 slash folder 1 ls cat rm cat now ls, yes, we delete the directory cat. Now cd user1 y. Okay, cd user1, okay, user1 ls, and now I want to rename this folder 1 with big letter F and L to folder 3 with everything letter small. For this we use the command mv, but move or rename a file, but mv dir directory folder 1 we rename to folder 3 ls from folder 1, folder 2, folder 3. Okay, let's go forward. Let's go viewing and addition files. Cat file name. Dump a file to the screen in ASCII. More file name. Progressively dump a file to screen. Enter one line down, spacebar, page down, Q quit. Less file name. Like more, but you can use page up to, not on all system. V file name. Edit a file using the V editor. All Unix system will have V in some form. Head file name. Show the first few lines on a file. Head -n file name. Show the first n lines of a file. Tail file name. minus sorry, tail file name show the last few lines of a file. Tail minus n file name show the last n lines of a file. I showed it was sometimes useful. Okay, what I want to show you more. Directory. Okay. Getting help with man. Man, short for manual. Documents command. Man command retrieves detailed information about command. Man minus k keyword search the man page summaries faster and will probably give better results. Man minus k in big letter keyword search the full text of the main pages. Let's try. No command ls. We type non ls. We see all manuals about this command. ls and many prefixes which you can to enter. Descriptions for each operation that names a file of type other than directories. ls displayed its name as well as any required, and blah blah blah. Shows only 9%. Use for if we use arrows up and down, we can see all this article. You see many prefixes, many different commands, only with one ls. It's a very powerful command. Page down works тоже. If we type man minus k small letter, we see number of records, CCP and S machine version. Remember our command mkdir. Let's try what man tell us about mkdir. mkdir. The same situation. We can see what manual article in a short about your command. So we have a help. If we type help, we see this text. For example, if we type what can I use this account for, or Unix, a listing of Unix command available to you now. Let's try Unix. All list with commands: ls, cat, make dir, rm file, and move file, all what you need. Okay, maybe enough. Thank you for attention. See you later.